Have you ever wondered what people used long ago to keep their teeth clean? Believe it or not, the ancient Romans had a very unusual way to freshen their breath and clean their mouths. They used urine. Yes, you heard that right, urine. Today, we are going to explore this strange but true piece of history and learn why the Romans thought this was a good idea. Back in ancient Rome, people did not have toothpaste or modern mouthwash like we do today. Instead, they looked for natural things that could help clean their teeth and make their breath better. Urine was one of those things. You might be surprised to know that urine contains ammonia, a substance that can help remove stains and kill some germs. Because of this, the Romans believed urine was useful for cleaning their teeth and even their clothes. The practice might sound gross now, but in those days, people were willing to try many different things to stay clean and healthy. Urine was collected and even sold as a cleaning product. Some people used it as mouthwash to wash out their mouths. Others soaked their clothes in urine before washing them to get rid of dirt and make the fabric whiter. Roman writers like Pliny the Elder mentioned the use of urine in their writings. They noticed how the ammonia in urine helped with cleaning tasks. This shows that the Romans were curious and practical, using what they had around them to solve everyday problems. You might wonder how they collected enough urine for all this cleaning. The answer is simple. Public toilets in Rome had containers placed nearby where people could leave their urine. This was then gathered and sold to those who wanted to use it for cleaning or other purposes. It became a small business in itself. Even though this sounds strange to us today, the idea of using ammonia for cleaning is not so odd. Ammonia is still used in many cleaning products now. The Romans just found a natural source of it in urine before science discovered how to make it in a lab. So what can we learn from this? The ancient Romans remind us that people have always been creative when it comes to hygiene and cleanliness. They used what they had, even if it seems unusual now. History is full of surprising facts like this that show how people lived and thought in different times. Next time you brush your teeth or use mouthwash, think about the strange but clever ways people cared for themselves hundreds of years ago. The story of using urine as mouthwash is just one example of how far we have come and how inventive humans can be. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this curious story from history, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting facts. See you next time.